Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to a new video on the channel. My name is Connor, and today we're going to be talking about light flickering. Now, have you ever noticed that when you're trying to record a video, there might be these little kind of bars going down the screen, or even if you're recording inside, you might notice that some of the light is actually flickering. Now, this might be a common problem that you may have when you're recording video, but it can also be easily fixed. So the main reason that causes this to occur is that the shutter speed of the device that you're recording the scene in isn't in sync with the light itself, which can be a massive pain in the ass when you're trying to record inside, I know. But given that it's such a common occurrence, this is going to be part of the quick tip video that I'm going to be doing today. But first, I got a package. What is in this package is something that I've been looking forward to getting for quite some time, because particularly when I'm recording on this thing and it can take me all day to get through a video, it is always handy to have a spare one of these, as you may know. You may already know what it is. I love getting new things. Yep. Haha! Oh, focus. There we go. Yeah! Brand new battery. So now I can finally keep recording throughout the day and have one battery charging whilst I'm recording and using the other on this. Super stoked, super happy about that. So yeah, let's get back into the video. Also, just as a warning, if you are epileptic or you have any sensitivity towards flashing lights, don't watch the rest of the video, please. This is for your own safety, and I just don't want to be causing anybody any mishaps, okay? Thank you. So I just strapped on my ND filter onto the front of the lens, and I have it pointed directly at the key light that I'm using at the moment. As you can see here, it's not much happening, all is good. I have my frame rate set at 1/50, and I'm recording at 24 frames per second. But as you can see, as I start to crank up that shutter speed, it's going to start revealing this flickering effect that I was talking about. And this is at 1/200. Given that this can be easily fixed, it's always important when you're going into a synthetic environment, i.e. using these lights, just to check that your shutter speed's at the right speed, and if not, you can bring down that shutter speed. Usually that fixes the problem, but if you didn't know what was causing it in the first place, it's always handy to know. That's why I'm doing a quick tip. So always remember to crank down that shutter speed. It's okay if you're not doing something fast-paced or sporty. If you want to catch some quick movements, of course you're going to have to bring up that shutter speed again, but always be mindful of the environment that you're going to be in. I hope you found this quick tip video helpful, and of course if you ever want to get in contact, just shoot me a message or comment down below. It always helps. Stay safe, keep yourself protected, and I will see you in the next one.